So license plate recognition's right here. It logs every license plate that's seen by one of our cameras. You can just, it gives you that video evidence. So this is actually 2 cameras. There's actually a camera looking directly at the license plates from probably not an ideal angle, to be honest. But so I think we're just capturing like license plates as they go like side by side. So, yeah. So I don't know how we're doing that. Or it might be a camera that's positioned somewhere else that's capturing it more head on. But there's 2 cameras here. It's an LPR camera. That is just our bullet camera, by the way. We just have a software license or a firmware that's loaded that allows it to accurately capture license plates. So it's a camera that's just for LPR and then another overview camera that you're seeing here.
Okay.
What are we doing with that? You can search more appearances of that. So I can search specific like license plates like 8 LF or whatever, and get all the license plates that start with ALF, or have an 8 and an LF in that license plate. And you can see like how many times that license plate appeared, and you can mark this as a license plate of interest. So if that license plate comes back on site, you get those proactive alerts.
Okay.
That's our LPR.
The bullet camera that you're talking about, it has all the necessary features to be able to see license plates up to like whatever 50, 60 miles an hour.
Definitely not. It's rated for I think like 40 miles per hour. I'd have to like double check. But really, it's meant for like parking lots, parking structures, you know, maybe 4-way stop intersections. You're not putting these on like highways or like.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, that's not what our LPR is meant for. So just want to be open about that, right? There is like a solution guide here as well. So there's special guidance, right, to how to install LPR. So you know, we're looking at the right camera, and then a context camera as well. So it's 2 bullet cameras. And then it has to be mounted like, you know, certain angles, right? No more than 40 degrees, 20 degrees offset. Let me see if it's like there's any MPH.
Single lane, 20 miles an hour.
So we're saying that on the sheet, but like it is tested for up to 40 miles per hour, 45 miles per hour, around there. Like we'll put that in writing if we need, but we don't want to advertise that, I guess. But like I said, good for like parking lots is what we recommend it for.
Okay, yeah. It's just that in some of these parking lots, you know, yes, it's supposed to be, you know, 15 miles an hour, but people are driving a lot faster than that.
Yeah. I can assure you that we're capturing, I mean, you can see like those cars that were driving by right on that intersection, we were capturing those plates. Like it's rated for higher, you know, but we just don't want to necessarily write that in unless we have to, right? We always want to be careful not to over advertise. But you can obviously tell from that like one LPR camera that's like going pretty fast, right? We're capturing those license plates of those cars for like this intersection, for example, which is like clearly they're going like, you know, probably like 30 to 40 miles per hour.